How to create a guild in Palmon Survival. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Starting your own guild might sound complicated, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know where to tap. First of all, open up your Palmon Survival game on your device, and once you're inside this main homepage, go ahead and tap on the guild option on the right corner. In the pop-up that appears on the screen, click on Create. To create a guild, you'll need to spend 500 gems. First of all, go ahead and select your flag from the top, choose the color, pattern, and tap on Confirm. Now, in the guild name option, enter the guild's name you want to create. Click on Confirm once done, and enter the guild tag, and make sure that the guild tag is unique. And then under Join Request, select if joining into your guild is open to all or need approval. Make your selection, and right underneath, select the level that is needed or required to join into the guild that you create. After you do that, select the language of your guild and click on Create Guild at the bottom. Click on Confirm to spend 500 Palite. You'll need 500 gem or Palite to create a guild. So right after you do that, you have successfully created a new guild. Now you can go ahead and invite friends, accept applications, build your active team, and so on. That's how you successfully create a guild in Palmon Survival. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.